Prithvi has been absolutely adorable because at the start of the schedule, we tease him because he seemed a bit reserved when we were in front of the camera. So it was, well, I think the unit took the opportunity to find someone to tease, and well, Prithvi was it. But he was smart. He's the quiet, smart one. He kind of outgrew that. Like post the first sked, he was right there on the ball, committing to Dev in really confidently, and it certainly was again fun working with him.
Yes.
And she has a few rapid fire questions for you. Prithviraj or Shahid, the better co-star or dancer?
I'll have to give it to Prithvi right now, because when you see him in Dreamam Wake Upam, he's killed it in dancing. And he's been a wonderful co-star. But not taking up from Shahid. Shahid's also lovely. But Prithvi is too cute.
Even Dil Bole Hadippa.
Throughout my career, it means a lot to me. One thing I have to say, that Malayalam actors are very down to earth. Prithvi being such a big star, he was so down to earth. He came down there to Bombay, he did the film, and he actually was like a newcomer. And for me, that's wonderful because being in the industry, people get crazy. So to have somebody like Prithvi as my co-star, I enjoyed working with him. And of course, I just saw his younger brother.
No, elder
brother. Okay, sorry. Sorry, Prithvi, if you're seeing this. Okay. You look exactly like Prithvi. In fact, when you were coming up on stage, I said, oh my God, is that Prithvi? And he spoke a lot about you during the shoot. So great to see you here. And of course, my fans in Dubai, thank you for watching my movies continuously. And please do so, because I'm here only because of you guys. And thank you for all the love and for this tribute. Thank you.